Hi there, students. Mandate. To mandate as a verb and a mandate as a noun. Okay, this has two different meanings, but really in some ways they're the same. It either means to authorize, to permit, or to command, to order, to make obligatory. So, for example, the union has a mandate from its members to go on strike. They have been authorised. The members of the union have voted in favour of giving the union the possibility of striking, of going on strike. But maybe this vote is obligatory. They must go on strike. And then we have the idea of command. So to command, to make obligatory. We have been mandated to wear safety equipment at all times. We've been ordered. Notice this word mandate is very official. It talks about an official document, an official authorization, something from the government, something from our dictators. So, when a government has been elected, they have a mandate to rule for 5 years. They have authorization. You can also say use mandate as the period of office. During their mandate, they did many things. A prime minister is mandated by his party to lead, not to leave. Okay, so order. This became law by royal mandate, by royal decree, by royal command. So it's an official order. To make mandatory, to make obligatory. There is a mandate to wear face masks in public at the moment. So we can also have a bank mandate. This is where you give your bank authorization to make certain regular payments to somebody, a standing order, and you sign a document saying, I give the bank permission. Okay? So, here we have the idea of give authority to. The authority of the king has been mandated by God. Last time that happened in the UK, there was a civil war. Okay? So the authority of the king has been mandated, has been ordered by God. The king said that, and then there was a civil war between the parliamentarians and the royalists. Okay, this meaning of authorize is much more common than the meaning of to command. But let's see, if I authorize somebody to do something, I'm effectively commanding them to make a decision, to decide how to use it. And I'm giving them an order or a responsibility. So, in many ways, they're similar. The company has mandated me to increase the offer that has been made. I have authorization. So notice, the verb to mandate is a regular verb. He mandated me. I have been mandated. But notice, this word is really quite formal. I'd probably give it an 8 in formality. It's an official word. It says something has been done officially or by officialdom. I think informally to mandate, either to allow, to permit, to let in an informal conversation, or to order as well. I think you could use mandate semi-formally, but it's best in a really formal framework. So now next, what about the origin? Well, it comes from Latin, from mandatus, an order, a command, yeah, which itself comes from manus, hand, and dare, to give or to put. So, to mandate, to command somebody to do something, or to allow somebody to do something. Oh yes, notice this word mandatus, manus and dare. We also have the words command, demand, remand, commend. All of these words are related to the same root. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mandate.